Hello and welcome back to our channel Digital Learning Portal. So friends, we are going to discuss a unique video for you which is helpful for your B.Sc Mathematics or upper level of Mathematics, PC level Mathematics, which is known as, you can see in the top of the video, it is sequence and series. Whether the sequence is divergent or convergent, we will discuss here. The first clearing the basic concept, what is the basic difference between a sequence and series? The first sequence, this is series. We know, let's have some elements, suppose A1, A2 and A3 up to so on. Okay, it is sequence. Sequence means we can separate the elements by using commas. This is sequence. And series is what? Series is the separation of any two element by using addition or subtraction. This is our series. So this is the basic difference between sequence and series. Our sequence may be finite or infinite depending upon the sequence. Similarly, series may be finite or infinite. Here, sequence or series, we can divide it into two types. First one is the convergent, second one is the divergent, and third one is the oscillatory. Here we define these three categories of sequence and series. What is convergent series, what is divergent series, and what is oscillated series. So let's start. So here we can see sequence mainly categories, two categories. One is the convergent sequence and a second one is the divergent sequence. Another one is the oscillatory sequence. The first we have to define what is convergent sequence. Here we have to introduce the general term which is equal to an. Here we have to limiting the general term, limit n tending to infinity, n is equal to, it is finite. And for a divergent sequence, we can write limiting value from n tending to infinity, an is equal to infinity. So, if our value of general term, in case of a limiting value of a general term is finite, then we can say our sequence is convergent. Otherwise, if we find the limiting value of a general term which is tending from n to infinity is equal to infinity, then our sequence is divergent. We can take the ideas from physics also. Convergent means convergent, we can say converging into one point. Divergent means here is a divergent. That means we can take this idea into our mathematics. Here it is diverged to infinity and it is converged to some particular value. So here is the definition. Okay. What about our oscillatory sequence? If we have the value of a limiting value of a general term n is not unique, then we can call it an oscillatory sequence. So let's have some examples to define our sequence is convergent or divergent. So here is an example. Here we have to define or calculate the sequence n is equal to n by n plus 1 square is the convergent or divergent. As you know, we have to find the limiting value of the general term which is equal to limit n tending to infinity. Our general term is equal to n divided by n plus 1 square of n by n plus 1. So here we have to divide it by n. We can write here n and taking common as n, which is equal to 1 plus 1 by n square n cancel out, which gives us n limiting and tending to infinity 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by n the whole square. By putting the value for infinity, we can write which is equal to 1 by 1 plus 0 the whole square, which is equal to square of 1 is equal to 1. It is finite. As by the definition of the sequence is convergent or divergent, as we have find the value of limiting value of general term is finite. So the sequence n is equal to n by n plus 1 whole square is convergent. Okay. So coming to the next question. Here is the next question. The sequence n is equal to n to the power 4 plus 3n divided by 4n cube minus 2n plus 1 is convergent or divergent. The first taking the limiting value of the general term n is equal to limit n tending to infinity for n to the power 4 plus 3n divided by 4n cube minus 2n plus 1. Here putting the value of infinity, value of n as infinity, we can conclude that this gives us a infinity by infinity form, which is the indeterminate form, which gives us a determinate form. So here we have to take common n cube. We can write here n plus 3 divided by n square divided by n cube, taking as common, which gives us 4 minus 2 by n square plus 1 by n cube. So here n cube cancel out, limit n tending to infinity n plus 3 by n square divided by 4 minus 2 by n square plus 1 by n cube. Here putting the value of n as infinity, you can write infinity plus 3 by n square of infinity divided by 4 minus 2 by square of infinity plus 1 by cube of infinity, which is equal to this gives us infinity plus 0 divided by 4 minus infinity 0. It gives us the value of 0, it also 0, which is equal to infinity by 4, which is equal to infinity. As it gives us the value infinity, so our sequence n is equal to n to the power 4 plus 3n divided by 4n cube minus 2n plus 1 is divergent, as we have the value of general term is equal to infinity. So here we have given two questions, as the sequence n is equal to ln n divided by root over n is a convergent or a divergent. That is convergent or divergent, we have to calculate it. And second question, fourth number question is n is equal to ln n plus 1 minus ln n plus 2 is convergent or divergent. It is you can check out by using the limiting value of general term, whether it is finite, it gives us a convergent. If it is equal to infinity, it is divergent. So you can check, and please do comment in the comment section. Our number question 3 or 4 question is convergent and divergent. Similarly, we define today in this class we are discussing the basic concept of a sequence and series. The sequence is convergent or divergent and oscillatory. So please do subscribe to our channel Digital Learning Portal if you like this video, and press the bell icon for latest updates. For more updates, you can visit our channel Digital Learning Portal. Thank you.